boat ramp. Beautiful day on the Okeechobee. With my sweetie boo boo. Don't like them pictures, do you? Look at those little old boats there. There's your hot fish spot there, Mama. One thing about this lake, it's full of birds, you know. Alright. Let's say we head into Orleans and get some lunch. I'm hungry. Maybe a cold beer. Guys, they pulling up the fish or what? Wonder why they got these numbered. We never have figured that out, have we? Well, that was a big boat from Port St. Lucie last night. I got them some cold beers. They're just going out, getting out late, it looks like, or just taking a ride. Hey, little chicken in the tub. Alright, we just went through, what do you call this? Jurassic Park. We're into another world. All the birds up there today. Bird shit. Here's the tiki hut. Alright. Rolling Martins. This week, next week, there's like nobody around. This is the calm before the storm. And then the snowbirds come in by the millions.